us the way in. Assassin. There he is. Come here, squirrel, 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 squirrel. I think he winded us. Oh, you scared the piss out of me.
You seen him run up that tree when I did that? I want to scoot back. Are you filming? I hit him, I hit him.
Squirrel down! Squirrel down! Squirrel down! We're having back straps tonight, boys. What do you think about Go out there and get your kill, buddy.
Here, hold my bow. Dude, I didn't have no fucking room to shoot, man.
We might have to put the track on him.
He came in uphill, we was rattling hard. Then,
how long is spurs?
Yeah, spurs about that long, man. Bastard came up there, jumped on the side of the tree. Dropped the hammer on him. Let's go get our buck.
Alright, we're out of the blind. We're tracking the squirrel. He's about massive, what you say, 3 yards? We ranged him about 3 yards. And look at that kill. He put the hammer on him. You wanna hold your squirrel up? Here, man. Lay down with the light back. Sit down with the light to your back so we can get a good camera shot.
Big old Tom.
Got about a 12-inch tail.
Entry wound. Exit wound.